Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down in order to find general management. Now we have to tap on the language. And as you can see, I already have a second language added here, which simply appears on this list, and this is the list of all previously added languages. But I'll show you how to add the language. Just tap on this section, and as you can see, we will be transferred to the list of available languages. They're suggested by Samsung. So if you cannot find the language you'd like to set, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon here and tap on all languages. And as you can see, right now this list is much wider. Okay, so basically all we have to do is to obviously find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on it again. And your device will ask you if you want to set the language as a default. So if you want to, just tap on set as default. And as you can see, it will immediately appear at the very top of this list. And after a second, your device will display everything in this particular language. If you've got more languages, so for example like 2 or 3, you can just tap on different language in order to set it. So let me pick English, and probably it is apply. So let's tap on apply. And again, the English will appear at the very top, which simply means that the language which is on the first position is always a main one, and it is displayed. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and mark those which you'd like to remove. As you can see here, you can also reorder them, it's up to you. Tap on remove again, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.